we have to go through Checkpoint Charlie here, though. These are people returning from tours, I guess. And a lot of them, too. It costs €2 each way, €4 round trip, over to Mykonos, which of course is just right over there. It says it takes 8 minutes, so we'll see. Brought us here into the Bay of Mykonos, or whatever they call it. I can see windmills off in the distance, and a lot more boats. All the buildings are whitewashed. The tour guide said it was by law they have to be painted white. Water taxi. These are people waiting for the next one, and this is us getting off. Careful. Janet getting off. Mykonos. It's right along the seafront. That's the boat we took on our shore excursion this morning. The Dolphins of Delos. We bought round trip tickets so we don't have to stop there again. So we're just gonna do a little walking around here. And won't it be fun? It's all restaurants along here and gift shops, and of course the waterfront with its little boats, and these people taking pictures of, oh, this looks like a fish cleaning station, you know, where you can clean your fish. Well, that's Mykonos. Glad we got the time to come in here after our tour. I'm going to walk along the shore and take some pictures. Let's walk out to the shore here. Hey, there's our ship. There's our Janet. Got off the water taxi way out there, walked along the waterfront. Now we're going to make a right and go up here. We stopped at this little stand, got this giant beer for €2 that Janet's struggling to open, and now we're going to go up this path. Should be fun and exciting. Lots of little shops. There's offshoots going off in different directions. Greek evil eye is a protective sign. Got some artwork here. Look at this glass. Oh, it's a gallery. Gallery. Got your t-shirts. It's the Ferrari donkey. I'm supposed to look at shoes.
Snake. Snakes.
Anyway, up a little further. Another alleyway going off that way. Bobbleheads. I imagine those people are famous.
There's a Trump one.
So we've reached sort of a cul-de-sac, but I think right over here we can continue our journey. That way or this way? I say this way.
Sure.
It's a little steep though. And there's another one leading down here and one leading up further.
This is where I'm imagining I've been for a while.
And there's the remnants
Windmill.
of a windmill. Came up these stairs, path. We're gonna go up a little higher. Smell food. There's a windmill. Get you a look all the way around. We may have to settle for one broken down windmill. That's the bar. So, came from down in the town. We just followed stairways that we found. Going up a little higher. Kind of limited on time. Here's the town. Yeah. Portobello. My Portobello bed.
I'll with this.
There's the ship. Now we're coming up to a road. We're going to walk down the road here a little ways. I'll bet it takes us back down to town if we go down. Just want to look at this windmill. Look at this thing coming. This says this is a private area, but the gate's open, so I don't know how private. So we decided to go down these stairs. I'm sure they lead to the right place. They're going down them, and they must know what they're doing. Well, the other gate was open too. No, I got enough pictures. I'm good.
Stay together there quickly.
So apparently, like many of these little towns, if you see some stairs, down is back to the ship, up is
Oh, wait.
somewhere. So we came from the windmill up there, if you can see it. And there's all these colors, white predominantly, And we're gonna go down this path. There was this path, but it's a little level. We're gonna go down and be down fast.
Wonder what the symbol means.
I don't know. Be very careful on these steps. They're sloping and slanted. And look at the net over the door. Keep the bugs out. Can you name anybody there? How about those guys? We love our football here. So there's shops going off in every direction, selling all sorts of things, including these. Stopped at a shop to buy some pure olive oil soap. 6 bars for €5.
Thank you, sir.
We're almost back down to the waterfront here.
No, you don't have
I want you to look at these bracelets really closely. Those are pretty nice, aren't they? There's a lot of really nice stuff. Of course, we've got 4 more Greek islands to visit, so who knows whether stuff will be less expensive there or not. So we're back on the water taxi, heading back to the ship. Finally, we sat here for 20 minutes. And that's our day in Mykonos.
Portlandies out.